Hello everyone, welcome to Family Kicks. Thank you for tuning in. We're back again. I'm Jason.
I'm Calvin, and welcome to another unboxing. We got these shoes like yesterday, and they came out on May 21st, so 3 months ago. And yeah, let's get into this.
Let's see what's inside, right?
Yep.
Let's open up. So this is the box. Let's open it. Okay. There you go. Let me take up my tanggalin ko muna yung balik. It's gonna be Calvin's balisong.
There's the box right there. Here's the box. Size 10.
Size 10, right?
11 and a half woman.
So, dumating to nung kahapon, di ba?
Kahapon.
Kahapon. And these are like 3 months release, right?
3 months release.
Oh, wow.
There.
Okay, move down. Okay, let's see. Let's do the,
Here's the side of the shoe right here. Here's the front.
tempo. Lagyan mo dito para ano. There you go.
Side right there.
Nice, Calvin.
The back.
So these are the,
The champ colors.
champ color
It's
SB
called
dunk, right?
champ colors because Virginia won the NCAA tournament, the March Madness tournament. So this is like this is their school colors, orange and blue.
Orange and blue.
It's not black. It looks like black, but it's like navy blue.
Navy blue, yeah.
Yeah.
Navy blue.
It's the bottoms.
Tapos meron siyang guys, meron siyang extra lace na orange.
Orange.
So, pwede mo siyang palitan kung anong gusto mong kulay.
Yep.
You know. Ganda nito, Calvin, ha? Size 10,
Yeah,
ha?
those are nice.
Size 10. Did they came out with 3 different color in this?
Yeah, the red one, the university red. University red, I think it's called. Right? University red.
University red.
And then the Brazil.
The Brazil, yeah, the
Brazils.
Brazil.
The green and
The
white,
green
yellow.
and yellow, yeah.
Yeah.
So, there's 3,
It's like a pack. Yeah.
yeah, 3
I got
colors.
this one because I like the color on this.
Ganda siya. This is nice.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung niya, yung the stars, hindi siya hindi siya.
It's not like an actual. It's
Yeah.
not like you can't wear it out too much.
Mhm.
It won't wear out.
Iba klase yung star niya.
There's the star.
Yung mga SB ba? Yung mga SB ba yung star niya sa sa
Jordan.
Sa harap di ba yung star niya, no?
I think I like it better like that because then you can't wear it out too much.
Too much. Kasi yung mga Jordan 1s
It wears out and then it's gone
you can
sometimes.
see it.
Yeah.
No? Well, it's pretty nice for magkano ba nakuha ito?
Like 300.
300?
Yeah.
That's not bad for, SB.
Dunk.
Dunk. $300.
It's a great shoe.
Great shoes, Hindi, pero siya yung leather niya parang
Your crease.
so parang siya yung
It's like a Jordan
tumble.
1.
It's
Yeah.
like a tumble leather,
Tumble
right?
Yeah.
When you press it. Pag gano'n mo siya, pag pinress mo yung niya, parang tumble
It's
leather
good.
siya.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Iba klaseng leather niya.
I like it though. So it feels good, like the leather.
The leather is nice.
It's like a unique color too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
And then they came out with different color box.
Yep.
Used to be I never seen a red one like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's red or orange. Hindi ko alam kung orange to, ibang niya, kulay yung box niya.
It's like red.
Iba yung mga box niya. Kasi yung ibang box ng SB pa Sabay
Yeah,
yung box
yeah.
mo. Diba, nandun, OG. Iba yung niya, iba yung box niya.
Yeah.
Yung original na
Mhm.
pinunta nila yung box nila. Diba?
Yeah, but this is a great shoe.
Yeah, great shoe,
Like
guys.
casual shoe. Alright guys, here's the video of the people who won last week.
Ito po, panoorin natin.
Ako po si Ken Bagalawis ng San Simon, Pampanga. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa konting tulong ng Family Kicks. Maraming salamat po. God bless and keep safe.
Ako si Maureen Lazaro, taga Santa Lucia. Ako ay nagpapasalamat sa Family Cake sa konting tulong na binigay niyo sa akin. God bless.
Alright, let's get into the giveaway.
You guys wanna do the giveaway?
There's another giveaway.
Okay guys, we're gonna do the giveaway again. So pipili po kami ng 4.
Yeah, so comment down below your names again. Yes.
So, wanna do it now?
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, we're here with the Wheel of Names. We're gonna pick 4 people to win 500 pesos. And DM Juicy J if you win. Alright, here's the first winner.
Tingnan natin. Okay, Rob Aison from San Fernando.
Here's the second one.
Second one.
Albert Torres
From Pampanga.
Pampanga. Here's the third one. Kitty Patootie.
Pili Paturi from San Fernando, Pampanga.
Alright, here's the last one.
The last one, guys. Here's the last one.
Carl Jerwin Vital.
From San Fernando, Pampanga.
Alright, make sure you DM Juicy J to claim your winnings. And yeah, that's it. That's all for Family Cakes.
Maraming salamat po sa mga subscriber at viewers namin at sana patuloy po kayo sanang manood. At huwag niyo po kalimutan na i-click yung notification bell para sa ganun updated kayo sa mga videos namin.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.
Maraming salamat. Peace.